Hello, my brothers and sisters. I greet everybody from Otoshebo Mama. How una dey? Hope una dey enjoy. Me, I dey enjoy myself. I dey popori for this side. Una popori o. I get little thing where I want talk. I go mix am with my dialect. No, I too like my Benin to dey talk. So I want talk about this. Tony Kabaka and Governor Obaseki. Nikasi wana newe eru sogbo viogwe ori se gboda feriwo eru magi fovoto eru se gbo viogwe ori se gboda fen eru magi fovoto. May I talk to some of our people? We dey say corruption. Say corruption too much for that our country. Okay, about this house, about this Tony Hotel with Obaseki. If really this for my view, for my side, for my opinion, if really say Tony Kabaka build the hotel for government land, that house make them comot town. Because if they not comot town, this one na corruption. Because many people they do video and they see many video. Obaseki, please leave Tony Kabaka, is your brother. Mona come, mona no vessel. Na my way they talk. Other people house where they destroy, where Shomole destroy. Not be people get am, be na animal get those house. Abi na not be Edo people get am, not be Benin people get am. They not destroy them. Why go come be say na Erusogbo Yogwe, you say gboda ferumari foroto. Why it can't be say now? Because of saying Tony Kabaka, because then they hear in name for Benin, may they not destroy him. I not cause make them destroy, may they not destroy him. None of they understand. But if really say Obaseki no say now that land belong to government, Tony Kabaka not get right. We go to talk say may they not destroy him. No, because if Obaseki close eye, another governor will go come. He go see close eye say my person still build a hotel or house for government land. You go still close down. May we try to dey understand, may we try to wise, may we try to open our eyes. May we try to open our eyes, not because of saying na Tony Kabaka and may they not come destroy am because Tony Kabaka too good. I not say wicked, I not say na bad person, but this one, if really say na government land, that house have to be destroyed. May they carry am down. Because on a say Bobby Ogwe or you say Boda for we toss a be my yanibun. So Bobby Ogwe or you say Boda Feriwo, Erumari for top. They're not destroy Bobby's wow. Because they not say where Bobby's are built, they're not supposed to be there or something they run for there. They carry them down. Why go come be say now Tony Kabaka? So we go come the beg. Say God Obaseki, may you allow, may you forget and close one eye. Which one eye? If you close one eye, let me say na corruption. Let me say we no need better thing for that our land. Maybe they talk true. I matter no do where me water now. If na my own self say I put am for where not supposed to be, more na remove am. On na close one eye because na close one eye and I make that country come be like this, so come be like Abadabidi, come be like Yeje. Because to say you get money go where you take fight. You feel fight am. Poor person yo agwa mwere agwa. No, that means we dey divide down. We dey divide down. We go set gwan other for gwan. Why it go be like that? May we still think am this way. Why it go be like that? Many people house when they destroy. Even get one video where I go see for ITV. Now person house they still destroy, not be animal or one man you destroy by that one not be person because now you go and me gonna hire the governor, so that one they go keep quiet, they go destroy and you go mellow. But because of saying Tony Kabaka, now nothing go do one. Obaseki, he work for you, he not work for you. If they say me they really talk, una not they think wetin me they think, man you Tony Kabaka, you are my Edo brother, but matter no where we have to say it, my brother. You are my Edo brother. The truth, may we talk. If you really know, say now your land, say that land not belong to government. May you fight am. But if you know say it belong to government, no just talk. Tell them say make dem destroy am. Say you na corruption. Tell them say make dem destroy am. But if no be say e belong, Obaseki no get right. If e belong, e get right to remove am. E get right to remove am, not because of say you work follow am, so Obaseki no fit talk. E be like because wetin me dey watch, as I take dey watch am, I no dey inside all this nyama APC gbogbo. I no even get time because who get time for all this APC PDP? Who get time? Because all of them they be the same thing. If really say, e be like say Obaseki they oppress am. They oppress am. They no want make e talk. Oshomole, because now Oshomole na every cartoon. They press am. I don't know as I'll say talk can, because all these things, e wan come too much. Our country get money, man. We go no buy movie. But people where they chop am, they chop pan. People where they eat am, they eat am. Who say marry for the money, mabu se the way bo. Now we many pass for abroad. The money we don't know where they go. It be like say our ancestors, they vex. Everything is scatter. Everything don't be jaga. Only if you reach abroad. Now Benin people na many pass for abroad. Benin people na many pass. Anywhere where you reach, any country where you go, you must see Benin. If there's me we go talk we take this abroad. Now we many pass. But something if you reach Benin City, nyama. Oye na me we ige we boy lavani. Why it be like that? There is something wrong. Maybe they talk truth. There is something wrong. Because wherever seti wa mo ovio gwero hion bo yeke. Emi no ge mie. Luda we mi go no ya gwe gwezo. You go say me shut up. Our ancestors, they're not happy. It is time. Our money where people just they embezzle, where then they eat, people they suffer, they don't care. It's too much. It's too much. So Tony Kabaka, my brother, in my hate you where I don't feel hate you, but the truth, I go tell you. You work follow Shomole. You say you work follow Shomole. Now then let you for see money where you take build hotel, where you take build house, where you take do everything. That means there is something under. Not be people there for that Benin. They go work 20 years in your city doctor back can. Not be person there for that Benin go work for how many years? You go get only 6 rooms now you go get. So there is something between you with Oshomole. Because Oshomole knows say he want me win. That is for my own view. Let me the talk so. He want me win. So he carry you at Tony Kabaka. No na come help am. I promise you, I go give you this. Now you take get up. Because you put the talk, get one video way for talk now. Now Oshomole now bring you come out for inside poto. You talk am. There is something on that. Not be saying you work for 8 years. Not be 8 years on Shomole table. After that 8 years, you're gonna sakwa. Veneli go work a day. This is all corruption. All corruption. Not be saying because he give you post, say now you they work for waiting that they cut down, they cut tickets. Now that one then you say make am. No, my brother. Maybe they talk true. Our ancestors, they vex. They vex. Something wrong for that Benin, something wrong for that Edo State. Because where money supposed to go, una don't carry and put from one corner. It's not right. Emma, may we talk truth. Wetin me believe now. We can cause nyama quarrel between Tony Kabaka and Obaseki. Say he work for Obaseki. Obaseki aka e no promise him o mari mu me. He got a no promise o mari mu re. The no get vewa. That is just the truth. Emi go see zo. Emi go. I work for you because you say you rig election. I work for you. You win. Even who are million who are more mari more. You no get vewa. So Obaseki come vex. We go look at where you build your hotel. People say, this land now government. Because not be today Obaseki they there. He good man with they open our eyes. That is what me believe. Now, what me just believe now be this one. You go say, Where you build your house put, because not be today Obaseki dey there. Why be say now he go control, because the insult come too much. Maybe the man no want bring money come and say, "How you gonna with me?" And so now you can find out, say, where you build your own hotel and your house put, corruption, not be you get time, now government own. So, Tony Kabaka, my brother, if you just really know, say, no be your own, say now government land. I go walk back. The two eyes now we go open. The two eyes, unless say na really say no be government, so say Obaseki wa bawe. Better man bawe. Our ancestors they look they don't they vex, because many things don't they happen for that Benin. Not be only Benin there for that Edo state now. Many things don't they happen for that Benin. Where we go say, Otweno, Giami Miao, Oviera no, Bopa Wakere, Giami Miao. It's not time to me Miao. There is something where you not go even know, you not go even care whether na brother or not be brother. You know if you say your brother keep person now, say now your brother, maybe we just do a guru. So many not be one, or you go rest in peace. No, he go find you. He must find you. So maybe they talk truth. I just they see all these things. I don't want to talk before. I don't want to talk. Just say, now what? But so gbov yogwe, or say be money, but he say about that friend. Mangi forward talk. People house now that they destroy. Or show money destroy people house where don't they for many years, because all this one now yogwe they not see money take fight. They not see money take talk. If they talk, they will say they shut up. Wait, call this share. Tony Kabaka now. Shomole, Governor Obaseki, you are a bad person where work follow you. Maybe they see what they day under. Okay, can I go them noroto toy? Where Tony Kabaka doctor say irrigation. More than I have go them noroto toy. Tony Kabaka, you are not my enemy, but you are not my friend. It is good to tell you the truth. Okay, can I tell you because work by already. If you hear for this side, Ado family, Bobizwa, Tony Kabaka. Bobizwa, Tony Kabaka. Dora Boyano. You feel be good person for another way. You never help me, but you feel be good person for another way. But if you know, say really, I see the talk that land not belong to you. Say it will bow oja mwebani. Our ancestor, if they look, the November, there yourself. And then November, there yourself, our state get money, we get money. That money, na me we ewoni go la ye. Na me we ewoni go la, because what did they go on? And all the ancestors, they are not happy. Corruption don't too much. Corruption. Eke gwawe, gwiwe, gunuwe, otweno, close one eye. Another governor where go come. Now so you go see close one eye. The family person where you just know where you still help am for voting, you go see close one eye. Wait till you go know, before you know, go build house for center of Ring Road. I will talk close one eye because no worry now your brother. No, you get where brother they reach you. Or you get where brother they reach where you can say no, this thing I not take her anymore. Even though say they say you be bad person, talk come out. You will come talk and come and say no, na bungbe. Waiting, not be only. Ado family dey there. Other family still there. All these things. I beg Obaseki. Obaseki, if you know, say now government na get that land, carry on. Because other people where then they destroy their house. Nobody they talk. Before you go see them, you carry caterpillar, they destroy. Even though say na 4 flat, where so tall. Those people they not be person. I be them be animal. I be not be that don't stay there for burden. We are all the same. We are all the same because all these things is too much. It's too much. Because Tony Kabaka they say Obaseki, what you promise am, the work where you say you want give am, name me gbogbo. When we go look, which kind of work he say he want give you? It is time to be asking, may we ask, because they operate that, then they press that Obaseki, or show money with the gang, then they press some, Bona see, ovie do iri, ovie do kon, because before, Igbinedion, like Igbinedion come, he spoil everything. Where they don't fair repay, he spoil am. Even the one wey come it, he destroy am. He not do anything, destroy everything. Another Oshomole come, we not see people. The people not come out, come they make noise. Obaseki just come. Oyedo pataki. He just come. See we Benin, manaje gbema ya. Anaja kon yari egbema. Anaja kon yari egbema. All these things. Na be say when they talk and say, "Uma egbane do, uma seti gbane do logo." We not like ourselves. We not like ourselves. It's just the truth. We just they pretend. We sabi pretend well. If now a sharp person did there, I be rubbish na emi rokba. Eke why abaseke wala de wa gbehenya a governor, an enemy, a knockba, a that one. That man they pass stress. Because he no fit talk. He no fit talk because they vote for there. Maybe when he go finish, if he can't talk. When he go open his mouth, why you know what? Because some man we go there na benzin na guy. Because many people they talk say that man they try for that Benin. Then they talk and say they try because when Oshomole come, they say for the first time when he come, he do something. The fourth year no ilele omawu. Ona the go omwe ya because on where the last one you no na gbaligo ya omukba. This one come now. When Obaseki just enter, I know they support anybody. I know they support person when me they support. Maybe say if I see say yes, that Benin don't talk to abroad. Now I go they support say a person will do this one. Also, I bless you. I can't pray for that person. Say as it still be the time when me come out for us, it good pass where we dey now. When Oshomole come for the fourth one, we go yana. We carry everything, not can do anything again. Many people they talk say Obaseki they try. I believe. Wetin me believe now they talk so. Not be say my eyes see and wetin I believe. Oppression too much. Obaseki no fit talk. Because whether they swear oath, I don't know. You go close the mouth. Egbo you go near we mwela dian. Mu no ma very na. No get ya enjoy. No get ya don't know why ya broad don't know why ya because na so they do and they carry money. Let make our country still be like that. Carry and come Europe for year. You can't see their houses for year. You just see person we just rule for 8 years. 8 years na ite rule. Wetin you go get? Hey, okpe Kenya, no. 8 years oya wa rule. You go ya fefe for 1 more year. Now you go see person we work for 20 years. They won't talk back. 20 years because all the money don't cocoa all of them. Wa roy. Maybe they talk truth. That country, if we dey close eye, close mouth, close nose, e no feel good, e no fit go front. Because corruption too much. Corruption. I work, follow you. I tell people say make they vote for you. You must give me 50 million. You must give me 20 billion. Maybe that one I can say okay. When that one I can say the money too much, I no fit give you all this one. It be nice one. It go come out. So my brothers and sisters, just for my own, let me dey talk because many things there for that country were not good. Many things. This one now your brother, this one now your sister. May we stop am. If something bad, we go talk am. God number say, if that land belong to government, may commot the hotel. If you not belong to, what is your boy? That is just the truth. Okay, man, attack type energy. Not because of say Tony Kabaka. Me or can't join now, can say, na my dog brother, I know me. About say killer will go CIA. It's another one come, they go see CIA now. Corruption don't full everywhere. Corruption don't come. Because some of you go any and go ewa. Rule that because I can't know person wey know Tony Kabaka. I can't dey beg well, just leave and close one eye, close 2 eyes, just to say you not see him. Not be so. I want to go just down. That make me like abroad. Abroad, if you do something, they'll go with law. They not get time say oh na him, where na him. So my brothers and sisters, just lift you one. Just the thing they vulomeko. That country, maybe we know they do any nyama. Otherwise, me no genie, if something no good, maybe they talk am. You not feel carry something will not belong to you because you say you know governor. say e no talk to you, e no go ask you, you go say I'm free to do this. No be so. Area otherwise corruption. Oha agbe woni wa. E go come worse more and more. E go worst. If you do something, not because you know governor. Governor go punish you as you want to punish me wey no still know am. Na so it's supposed to be. Not because I say governor, you close one eye because he follow you work. If you follow me work, that means say something will come belong to governor, it go come belong to you, and you can't get am. And because I say I know you. My brothers and sisters, from Untouchable Mama, just a little one, just say me I just drop because our Benin people then they fuck up. Okay, I know this one. Erun so gbori ogwe. Or you say God that thing. Erun marry for top. It's too bad. That Benin belong to everybody, not be only one person. If you do bad, I will tell you, maybe my own. If you still do good, I will still tell you. Many people say Tony Kabaka don't they help them for long. I not say not they help somebody. But if waiting you where you build house put not be your own, my brother, I not say because you they help person or I can't they do guru. Say God no see I atweno or give your bonema area. I go talk as the way it be. But later now we can't know the truth. Whether Obaseki when he was or work or when he about what time, and later we can still know. If na real say na governor, are they millionaire? So all this wayo wuru is very bad. I agree to now, my brothers and sisters. One love, now bye bye. Watch out. So, my brothers and sisters, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my page. Wanna follow my page from Untouchable Mama. One love. Let's say the truth, only the truth. Now I go say, now I go set us free. Edege no fua no weto hwihui rudu womani. Edege no hwihui no weto fofua rudu egbewe no. May you talk and see be. Also abwa ya or has set ya save him the women otherwise. Or I logo it go hard. Now the truth. Wa mi emata uta. Or ahona agbo by emata ni almost to save you. Uta emata ni benoje. Edo mwe wuru edo atoge ju we ruda we o wana o kari jo bono bege no pe o kata be no jene o ho me o sabo bege we be no jeru ya tai o si aha gboma wa e mata ni di o bole le di o wejo e mata ni o mu dia hewe bo da o we mata ni o geleta enu bege nu bege oge o ya hin mata u bere e mata o ya hin oge no o sabo akwejo ni if you believe, Osabo Ekwejoni,